morning children. Today we are going to discuss about simplification of linear equation with one variable. So linear equation already we discussed in the previous classes. Now with one variable. So how we have to simplify? Here we have to find out the p value, here we have to find out the y value, and here we have to find out the x value. Three types of linear equations I took. How to solve these three types I am discussing in this class now. First we are going to discuss about first one, that is given 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 35 by 3. In this case, if you are seeing all the variables which are having the p in one side only. So how to get the p value now we are discussing. Now see here, these two are in the linear equations in the form of fractions. First of all, you have to find out the linear equations with the like terms. Now find out the value of 3 and 5 by using the LCM method. Those two are the prime numbers, so no need to find out the LCM. Directly you have to do the product of these two numbers. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So this one you have to multiply with the numerator and denominator with 5, and this one you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 3 to get the linear. Now that we have to get the 15. So first term we have to multiply with the 5, and the second term we have to multiply with the 3. Then RH side you have to use same number only. No need to change it first of all. 2p into 5 is equal to 10p minus 3 into p is equal to 3p by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Now 10p minus 3p. These two are the like fractions only. So you have like numbers only. So you have to subtract it. 7p by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Now transpose 15 to this side. This is in the denominator part. So the denominator part, division part. So this is become as a multiplication. 7p is equal to 35 by 3 into 15. Now do the cancellation of 3 in 15. So it is 3 5s are 15. So you have to get 5. Now here we are getting 7p value is this, but we want only the p value. Transpose 7 to from this side to this side. Here it is doing the multiplication, then equal to this side it is coming become as the division part. So p is equal to 35 into 5 by 7. Now cancel 7 with 35. 7 5s are 35. So you have to get 5 into 5 is equal to 25. The value of p is equal to 25. This is the solution for 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 35 by 3. Whether if you are substituting p is equal to 25 in this solution, if you are getting 35 by 3, then our solution is correct. Other than else it is wrong. This now I am doing the verification. In the examination no need to do the verification. This is for to understand purpose only I am explaining to you. What the p value now we got 25. P is equal to 25. Substitute, then p is equal to 25 by 5. Now 75 by 3. 2 5s are 25s are 50 by 3 minus 25 by 5. So here you are getting the cancellation is equal to 5. Then 50 by 3 minus 5. Now here nothing is not there, means it is equal to 1. 3 1s are 3. So 15 minus 15 by 3. 15 minus 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Now we got in this 35 by 3. So what we done, that p is equal to 25 is correct. Our solution find out the p value is correct. Is it clear? Now I am going to the second case. We saw that two variables are in same side, but now we have in that different sides. So in this case what we have to do, first we have to select the crisscross method. We know very well about the crisscross method. Numerator of the first term is multiplying with the denominator of the second term, and the denominator of the numerator of the second term is multiplied with the denominator of the first term. So now we have to get 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. Then by using a into b plus c formula, a into b plus a into c. Now 11 into 7y plus 11 into 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5 into 5. 11 into 7, 77y plus 11 to 2s are 22. 5 6 are 30y minus 25. Now transpose the like terms and unlike terms in the same direction. Now this is 60y is plus, then this side it is coming, it has minus. 77 minus 60y is equal to, already we have here minus 25, this plus 22 transpose to that side, then you will get minus 22. 77 minus 60, how much children? 70. Y is equal to minus 25 plus minus 22, minus 47. Then y is equal to minus 47 by 17. Is there any cancellation? No, because those two are the prime numbers. Then the value of y is equal to minus 47 by 17. This is the second case when you have that one variables are different sides. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now first how we done the verification for the p value, like that only you have to substitute the y value in these cases, you are getting the solution for that. Is it clear? Now I am not going to that lengthy process to do the verification. Now I am going to the third case. Now we are going to observe the third case. In this case we have the like terms in both sides, linear numbers are in both sides, and we have the number of like terms. So transpose first of all the like terms in one direction. What are the like terms here? X by 2, 3x by 10 and x by 5 are like terms. So this minus x by 5 turn to this side, transpose to this side. Then you will get minus x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus 3x by 10, and this is minus become as plus x by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Now this is the only numerical part. So transpose this minus 4 by 5 to this side, minus become as plus. Then x by 2 plus 3x by 10 plus x by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Then these two are the like numbers. Then you have to add directly 1. Then 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Here if you are seeing the denominator part in the LH side, 2 is there, 10 is there, 5 are there. These are the unlike terms. So you have to do the LCM of this. Two table, 1, 5 and then 5. Again fifth table, 1, 1, 1, 2 5s are 10. 10 is the LCM. So to get the 10, this numerator and denominator part you have to multiply with 5, and this one you have multiplied with 1, and this one you have to multiply with 2. Then as to is the RH side, you have to get 1. Then 5 into x, 5x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into x, 2x by 10 is equal to 1. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10x by 10 is equal to 1. Then cancel 10 and 10. Then you will get x value is equal to 1. So this is the way to find out the third case. Is it clear, children? If you have any doubt, then substitute in this case and substitute to get the verification part. X by 2, so 1 by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus 3 into 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 become as 0. So 1 by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 10. 1 by 2. LCM is the 10. So 5 minus 4 plus 6. 5 2s are 8 plus here 3. 8 minus 5 minus 3 plus 3 by 10 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS we got. Then the value of x is satisfied. Then the value of x is equal to 1 is clear. in our verification part. Our topic is for this day is completed. Is it clear, children? If you have any doubt, then ask in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.